Umuzika okhalelwa Sibiya, uBongani Ntanzi, uMthobisi Ncube, uMthokoziseni Maphisa kanye noSifiso Kuhle Ntuli babhekene necala lokubulawa uSenzo Meyiwa ngoMfumfu wango-2014 kanti bekulindeleke ukuthi leli cala ligcine liqalile namhlanje ngemva kweminyaka ecishe beyishagalombili kwabulawa uMeyiwa. Ummeli wabasolwa abane kanye nomshushisi wombuso bathe sebekulungele ukuqala kwecala, kepha ummeli womsolwa wesihlanu uNtuli uthe ukungahlinzekwa kwakhe ngezitatimende kusanesikhathi kubukela phansi amalungelo akhe. Uphakamise ukuthi leli cala kungcono liqale kusasa ukuze bathole ithuba lokukhuluma noNtuli.
In another way, my lord, accused number 5 has just been ambushed by the conduct of the state to reveal such a crucial statement at an 11th hour of the trial. And I'll further submit, my lord, that conduct of the state on its own has violated a right, a constitutional right of the accused, especially accused number 5, to a fair trial.
Umbuso uthe bekufanele kususwe amagama ofakazi abathile bombuso kuleli cala ngaphambi kokuthi kuhlinzekwe abameli babasolwa ngezitatimende.
Indeed, those witnesses are fearful for their lives. As recent as last week, the witnesses repeated the fact that they fear for their safety. And the reason, my lord, why we withheld those statements was to put those witnesses in the witness protection program.
Kepha ummeli wabanye abasolwa abane uthe akasiboni isidingo sokuhlehisa leli cala namhlanje.
Your Lordship, from the start of the defense of accused number 1 to 4, we are experiencing the same thing that accused number 5 is experiencing. And we definitely don't see what is going to be different from today. There is not going to be a different at all.
Leli cala selizoqala kusasa.